Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall...
An eternity later.
It's been like an hour. More than an hour. School ended 3 hours ago.
Proceed calmly to the nearest
Good job,
exit and
everybody.
leave the
You got
building
out in
immediately.
exactly 3
Do not
hours,
use the
56
elevators.
minutes.
Use stairwells where
Everybody
necessary.
did a good job, and you
All
did
right,
not
everybody, it was all true. You guys did a great job. We can go back in now. Yeah, all for you. You guys are all going to get a prize. That was great. What?